In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone battery drain. Let's get started. First, make sure all your apps are updated. For that, launch your App Store. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Now here you're going to find the option of Update All. Click on that. This ensures your apps are optimized for the new system, reducing crashes and background battery use. Next, disable background app refresh. For that, close this. Launch Settings, navigate to the option General, head over to the option Background App Refresh. Now click on the option Background App Refresh, set it to Wi-Fi only. This stops apps from constantly refreshing in the background, extending your screen on time. Now I can hit back. Navigate to the option Privacy and Security, then head over to the option Location Services and setting each app to while using or never. This ensures GPS is used only when necessary. Next, check battery usage. For that, open Settings, navigate to the option Battery. Now, scroll down to see which apps use the most power. If you find any suspicious app using too much battery, delete or update it. This is the easiest way to catch silent battery killers. Likewise, navigate to the option Battery Health and Charging. Here you're going to find the option of Optimize Battery Charging. Enable for that option. This feature learns your charging habits to reduce battery wear available on iPhone Pro models. Next up, reduce motion. For that, go back to the main page of settings, then accessibility, then motion, turn on reduce motion. This makes transition simpler and saves GPU power for longer battery life, and that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your iPhone on iOS 26 should run smoother and last noticeably longer. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.